Welcome YouTubers! I'd like to share a quick story before I do this reveal of the anti-gravity battery. I was on a road trip a couple weeks ago, and before I even left town, I was filling up for gas and the battery didn't want to start the bike. Can't complain too much. It was an 8-year-old battery and it was time. Enter anti-gravity battery, the ATZ10. It's a great little battery. I've installed one on my wife's vehicle a couple months ago and felt it was finally time to do the same with my bike. So out of the box, you get yourself some screws to be able to mount it. You get yourself some risers. Since this battery is a little bit smaller, it has to have some risers on it, and it also has some instructions with it. So the battery itself, one of the biggest advantages is the weight. It is amazing how light this little battery is. This, compared to the standard, is huge. The size of it, the anti-gravity is teeny. Weight-wise, the lead-acid battery weighs about 11 pounds. This anti-gravity battery weighs a whopping 2 pounds and 2 ounces. So, now that you got a little taste of the unboxing, let's jump right into the installation. The battery install, I decided to go with the anti-gravity battery. It's the ATZ10 for a 2015 R1200GS Adventure. We already did an unboxing of it. After you unbox it, the first thing you're going to want to do is get a charger. The anti-gravity battery requires a specific battery charger because they're intelligent designs, and a standard battery charger just doesn't really get it the charge it needs. So I would encourage, and so does anti-gravity, to consider a C-Tech charger. That's what I'm using here. Plug her in. Doesn't matter which, as long as I pull a positive and negative on each side. What's cool about these batteries is it lets you, alright, okay, let's reset. Alright, on the GS you'll find the batteries behind the right quarter panel just below the tank, so we'll go ahead and get access. Oh, it's dirty. Alright, and you can't see with the light on. There, that's a little better. So we're showing 7, that's a full charge. We are ready to plug this thing in and see it work. Let's see how. She's alive! Woohoo! I've been going through withdrawals. All right. Let's check her one more time just to make sure. Looking good.